Hi, I'm Christine, founder of LuxeOrganix. Many people ask us how to correctly apply our eye cream. Do you put it on the lids or just beneath the eyes? After cleansing your skin, be careful to gently pat your skin with a clean towel before applying the eye cream. Then dab a little Brilliant Eyes under and all around your eyes and gently smooth it over the eye area. And then ideally, gently tap the cream into your skin with your ring finger. Now, as you do this, be careful not to get the cream in your eyes. Any lotion that gets in your eyes will irritate them. It's perfectly okay to use it on your eyelids too. It's actually great for that. Now remember, be gentle. The skin around your eyes is delicate. You want to tap or pat the cream, not rub it in. Rubbing your eyes when you wake up or when applying product to your skin may cause small tears in your skin, which can make your skin feel irritated and sting. Now you want to allow the cream to soak in for a minute before applying your makeup. By the way, Brilliant Eyes works brilliantly as an overnight recovery cream, and it can be used for spot treating, dark spots, and fine lines on the face and on your hands.